In this video, I'll show you how to stop wasting credits in Lovable AI. Start by planning your project before you begin prompting. Take a few minutes to write down the pages, features, design style, and functionality you want. A clear plan helps you avoid generating the same things multiple times. Next, use detailed prompts instead of short or vague requests. The more specific you are, the more likely Lovable will generate the correct result on the first try. Include information about layouts, features, colors, integrations, and user flows whenever possible. After that, make multiple changes in a single prompt instead of sending several small prompts. For example, ask Lovable to update the navigation, improve the dashboard layout, and add a settings page all at once when appropriate. Now avoid regenerating entire pages for minor edits. Instead, tell Lovable exactly what you want changed. Small targeted updates typically use fewer credits than rebuilding large sections of your project. Next, create a detailed master prompt that describes your application, branding, and requirements. Reuse this prompt throughout development to keep the AI focused and reduce unnecessary revisions. After that, review generated content carefully before submitting another prompt. Sometimes the feature you need is already available and only requires a small adjustment rather than a complete redesign. Once your project structure is in place, focus on refining existing components instead of constantly creating new versions. This helps maintain consistency while conserving credits. Finally, test features and plan future changes in batches. Making several updates at once is usually more efficient than making one small change at a time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to stop wasting credits in Lovable AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.